Here is consonant blend FR. Consonant blends are when we take 2 or 3 consonants. They all say their own sounds, but we blend them together in words. So F says F. F. One more time. F. And R says R. R. Now let's tap and stretch them together. Ready? Fur. Tap and stretch. Fur. Good. Let's try to make some words with that, okay? Let's tap and stretch this word. Fran. Tap and stretch again. Fran. Say it fast. Fran. Say it fast. Fran. Fran. Oh, I have a friend and her name is Fran. That would be capitalized, wouldn't it, if we were talking about a name of somebody? All right. Let's tap and stretch this one. Ready? Fred. Tap and stretch. Fred. Say it fast. Fred. Say it fast. Fred. Yes, Fred. Fred is married to Fran. And if this were the name Fred, this letter would have to be a capital. That's right. Because we capitalize the names of people and places. Okay, let's tap and stretch. Fret. Tap and stretch again. Fret. Say it fast. Fret. Say it fast. Fret. Fret means to be worried about something. Don't fret. Right? Don't be worried. Let's tap and stretch one more word. Are you ready? Frog. Tap and stretch. Frog. Say it fast. Frog. Say it fast. Frog. Yeah, that's the word frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Frog. That is the consonant blend FR. Good work.